Hello everyone. If you are new here and watching this video for the first time, let me introduce myself. I am Priyanka Chaudhary and I create content to help you improve your English. Today I am really excited to share with you a special resource that is going to help you improve your English and to take your English to the next level. Well, this is going to be a one-stop solution. Means you are going to get the solution of all your problems, doubts, queries related to learning English at just one place. Now, let me walk you through a very well designed playlist which is created for your convenience so that you do not need to scroll for so long just looking out for the solution of your problem regarding learning English. Well, now where can you find this playlist? Let me show you. Initially, you have to visit my channel first. Once you are going to visit my channel, then this is the interface that you are going to see here. Now, as you can see, there are options of home, videos, shorts, and then playlist. So you have to click on playlist, and there you can see a huge compilation of videos which are created just for your convenience, which are very nicely designed and created. Well, as you can see here, the first playlist here is all about learn English through Hindi. So this playlist is especially for those people who can understand Hindi, who can speak Hindi, who would like to learn English through Hindi. Means ऐसे speakers, ऐसे English learners जो हिंदी के through English सीखना चाहते हैं, ये playlist उन सभी लोगों के लिए है. इस playlist में आपको क्या सीखने को मिलेगा? You are going to learn डेली यूज़ सेंटेंसेस जो आप हिंदी में बोलते हैं उन्हें इंग्लिश में कैसे बोला जाए. सो इस तरीके के सभी सेंटेंसेस आपको इस प्लेलिस्ट में देखने को मिलेगा. बिसाइड्स दिस, इन दिस प्लेलिस्ट यू आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू लर्न सम बेसिक इंग्लिश ग्रामर टॉपिक्स जिसे मैंने हिंदी में डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है. लाइक व्हाट इज़ पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं, क्वेश्चंस कैसे पूछे जाएं. These all kind of topics are going to be covered in this playlist. So watching this playlist is really gonna help you to learn English through Hindi. Now let's move on to the next playlist. This is going to be an advanced English vocabulary, phrases or conversation. So in this particular playlist, you are going to learn some advanced level vocabulary, phrases and conversation as well. So this is gonna work for those people who are like advanced English learners or who are at their intermediate English level, right? And they would like to polish their English language skills, all right? So this playlist is going to be helpful for those people. And by watching this playlist, you can take your English to the next level by using some advanced vocabulary, idioms and phrases. So do not forget to watch this playlist of mine. I am sure that this is gonna be really helpful for you. Now moving on to the next playlist, you can see shorts compilation. So in this particular compilation, you are going to see shorts videos of mine where I have tried my best. I have tried my best to cover making you understand some grammar topics or some English conversation and a lot more other things in just less than a minute. So you can give it a try as well. Next, you can see another playlist of mine where you can see English conversation practice. So if you are looking for a particular video or a list of videos where you can practice speaking English, so this is the playlist that you should check out. In this playlist, you are going to really practice speaking English. I have tried my level best to make you speak in English in this playlist. So here you can see I have uploaded around 18 videos. And watching these 18 videos will surely help you to make you speak in English. So give it a try. Moving on to the next is test your English level. So now if you would like to test your level of English, that where you actually stand or what is your English level, so you should give it a try. And there are only 3 videos in this playlist right now. I'll be uploading more on this topic if you are interested only then. So you can check your level as well. Now if I'm going to touch this playlist, you can see there is a video on spelling mistakes in English. So if you would like to check whether you are good at spellings or not, you can give it a try and take this test. Another one is on article quiz. So if you think that I am good at articles, like I can really do well if I talk about a, an and the, I have already mastered this. give it a try. Why don't you give it a try then? All right, take this test. Moreover, next is the what's your English level. If you are someone who do not know about an English level, that whether you are a beginner, intermediate or an advanced English learner, take this test, then you are going to know what is your level. Now let's move on to the next playlist. Next playlist is all about recently uploaded. So in this particular playlist you are going to find the recent videos of mine that I have uploaded. There are around 10 to 15 videos where you can check that what has been uploaded recently and you can update yourself. Later on is daily use English sentences, and if you are a person who is interested only knowing some daily use English sentences and their English translation, then here in this video you are going to get the solution of your query, that what are the sentences that can be spoken in English. So you can check out this particular playlist of mine. So this is gonna be really helpful, and it is gonna benefit you in this way that you will not be only finding daily use English sentences. Here when you will visit this particular playlist of mine, you can see the first video is all about daily routine in English, कि हम अपनी दिनचर्या को इंग्लिश में कैसे बोले. You are going to see that in this particular video. Next, many different ways of saying beautiful. आप सिर्फ beautiful ना बोल के और क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं इंग्लिश में. You are going to understand and you are going to discover this as well. Next is like how to speak about past events. So past events, कुछ past में अगर हमने बोला है या हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में पिछली कुछ बातों को, कि मैं कल पार्टी में गया था, या मेरी कल एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग थी, मैंने बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, anything that you want to speak in past, then how can you say or how can you talk about your past events, experiences, incidents in English? I have covered all these things in this particular video, so you must give it a try and check out this video. Later on you can even check out this video where I have talked about that how can you talk to your kids in English. तो आप इसे भी check out कर सकते हैं. Like this there are so many videos. Like अगर आपको आप देखना चाहते हैं कि short sentences कुछ हिंदी के इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलें, you are going to cover that as well in this particular playlist. Moving on to the next playlist, this is all about boost your English vocabulary. So in this particular playlist, where you can see there are around 38 videos, and these 38 videos all revolve around boosting your vocabulary. By watching this video, you are definitely going to see the difference in your vocabulary usage, that after watching these videos and implementing the lessons that I have actually given in these videos, you will be really finding the changes in your level of speaking. That after implementing the idioms, the vocabularies, the phrases that I have shared in all these videos, you will see that now you are not speaking English in a very basic and simple manner. You have become an advanced English speakers. So trust me, watch this particular playlist of mine and see that how much have you actually grown in terms of speaking English. Now next one is English speaking tips and techniques. So this is the particular playlist where I have uploaded, I think the maximum number of my videos are here on this particular topic, where I have been talking about English speaking tips, hacks and techniques that are going to help you to speak English better. And so by watching this particular playlist of mine, all the questions that actually come into our head while learning English, so you are going to get the solution of that, like how to start speaking English, like from where we should start, so you can check out the videos here, or how to improve your English speaking skills, the best and the easiest way. Or if you would like to know about my journey, that how did I actually improve my English, what did I do to become better at spoken English, so you are going to see that as well in this particular playlist. Or there is one more thing, like if you would like to know that how can reading actually help us to improve our English, so you can see that as well. And common mistakes that people make while learning English, So this is what we actually need to know, that what are the mistakes that we are making while learning English. We should stop making these mistakes. So you can check out that video as well. And I have also talked about that the better ways, what are the different ways, or 7 to 8 ways that will help you to improve your vocabulary. Or self-talk is the topic where I have talked a lot about that how can self-talk actually help you improving your English speaking skills. So, or sometimes we get this type of questions, like we face this type of challenges, like I can understand English but I cannot speak. I can read, write and understand. The problem is with speaking only. So how can I overcome this problem of mine? So you can get the solution in this particular video. And if you are a person who is facing a lot of difficulties in pronunciation, you are not able to pronounce the words properly and you would like to work on your pronunciation, so and you are looking for a video that can help you improving pronouncing the words properly, then what are the ways? Then watching this video will definitely help you, giving you the solution. Like this, there are so many topics that I have covered, that how can you learn English with songs, and how can you learn English when you don't have time, or some amazing techniques that will help you speaking English. Or sometimes we get this thought as well that I am from Hindi medium, I have done my schooling from Hindi medium, then how can I speak English? So this is also I have covered in this particular video. So do not skip watching videos that you find that you should watch actually, just for finding the solution. And so like this, there are so many videos that I have uploaded in this particular video, that why is listening important to become fluent in English. So you can check out that as well. In addition to this, there is another playlist that actually has the topic basic to advanced English grammar. So if you are a person who would like to learn English from the very basic, then you should check out this particular playlist, where you will be covering a lot of English grammar topics that actually begins with the basic level, like parts of speech, or nouns, pronouns, what is subject and object, and what is adjectives, possessive adjectives क्या होते हैं, and how to use I, we, you, they, जो basic से English के words होते हैं, इनको कैसे use करें, and what are some commonly used verbs in English, सबसे ज़्यादा हम verbs use करते हैं, कौन से होते हैं वो. So you are going to learn all of these things in this particular playlist. Moreover, you are also going to learn that how to make sentences in English, how to frame sentences. Sometimes what happens, we know the words, we know the phrases, the problem comes with speaking and framing sentences, that how to put all these different words in sentences. So if this is the problem with you, this video will solve this problem of yours. Next, how to frame questions. So how the questions are actually framed, how you can ask questions. So this is also I have shared in this particular video. Like these, I have so many topics covered in this particular playlist related to models, tenses. I have tried to finish tenses, all the 12 tenses in 17 minutes only in Hindi. So you can check out that as well, some idioms and phrases as well. So this particular playlist will help you understanding English grammar in a very simple and easy way, because when I speak English, I try my level best to not to use very advanced English words, so that you can understand me speaking, you can understand me what I'm trying to make you understand. And just to make your learning process easy, I do not try using very fancy and advanced words. Later on, there is another playlist of mine that actually deal with commonly mispronounced words, where there are I think 9 videos that I have uploaded till now. So this particular playlist, if you go here in this playlist, you are going to understand that what are the words that we have been actually pronouncing incorrectly for so long, like almond, monk, tortoise, entrepreneur and onion, and there are so many words that we have been pronouncing incorrectly for so long. So if you are going to check out these videos, you will get to know that what is the correct pronunciation of the word, and working on our pronunciation for speaking English is really significant, because if you are not going to work on your pronunciation, then it can create a lot of difficulties in understanding and in expressing yourself to the other person. So it becomes important to understand the other English speaker and to make your point clear to the other person really well. So work a lot on improving your pronunciation. And that's it for today's video. By following this playlist, you will see significant improvement in your vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and overall confidence while speaking English. Don't just take my word for it. Here are some comments from viewers who have experienced great results. So what are you waiting for? Just dive into the playlist and start improving your English speaking skills today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to stay updated with my content. Let me know in the comment which video you found most useful. And thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting and you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up and share this with your friends. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.